hitting the Culver's cruise. Oh, and there's the Blazer, the original one from last time, and we got one Bel Air, two Bel Air, and the Challenger. My brother's here too, and this guy is John Martin's '59 Chevy.
These are 200, 10 ones are 100. Always got clear.
I know the Pontiac again. Yeah, it was on a Chevrolet chassis. The Pontiac.
Corvette. I worked on the real sleek Firebird and Camaro.
Yeah, the drawings there.
Projects which were off-site and joint ventures.
So he's drawing Martin's Bel Air right now.
I like my Miata. I'm like, dude, Miata.
Is this a 69 or 70? I think it's a 69, isn't it?
I'm not sure, but I think you're probably right.
70. Yeah, the 70 had a little different taillight than the 69. The taillights are different than the 69.
Got one over here to look at. That Coronet is nice too.
Come here and get the sticker. You gotta get this sticker.
Oh, I can get those.
Sniff?
Yeah. Haggerty,
I think that's awesome.
my insurance company. That's the insurance company I use.
That's right. It says Haggerty on it.
Yes, it does. What year is this?
71, a 70 maybe?
70 plate, so I assume it's a 70.
Yeah, I remember that little rotted spread. As I remember, it was completely rotted out though. The one that,
Steve's?
yeah.
It was not.
No?
No, it needed restoration. It wasn't in bad shape.
The car is by looking at the interior. Ken Bader had one.
Steamrollers.
Oh. See, one flaw only on it. That show up in the video, but this is a beautiful car. Oh my God. No, we passed one on our way here. Yeah, totally.
He's almost got it done. He's putting the bumpers on it. He was going to show me the rear bumper because you know it's supposed to have the spacers. And he's taking the spacers off.
Wow, is that red?
Pretty nice. It's red like this.
Oh, 73. Yes. 73. Yes.
He's done a lot of fabricating. I mean, a lot of shit's bad.
They did a nice job on this. Damn. What a beautiful restoration this is. Oh my God, it's flawless. And this looks like an unrestored car.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is definitely an unrestored car.
Oh yeah, because the moldings are all getting them.
Is that what is that over there? A CB radio or something? I gotta get over there. Yeah, this is definitely an unrestored.
Radio.
Is it?
Yeah.
What year is
It's
this?
old FM radio.
What is this? Is this a 69?
I tell you what, I think Howard's right. This baby's.
I think it's got the original exhaust on it. Yeah, this thing's totally unrestored.
Okay.
The gas tank's been out, probably be cleaned because it's got that coating they put on them when you take them to a radiator shop, but yeah, this thing's sweet. It's a Motorola. So it's only got an AM radio, but it's got all the gauges. This thing's nice. Huh?
68.
67 maybe? 68?
Do they
Yeah.
have that lock? Side light?
Yeah, it's a 68 with a 327 unrestored. Yeah, it's had the lower valance has been repainted, but I think the rest of the car is original paint. I use some of my rest of my memory card here.
You get the car in the background, right? Let me get my thumb out of the way. You want me to raise it or lower
I'm
it?
gonna lower the foot.
You're gonna higher? Am I good?
Yep, you're good.
So you can get the car too?
Yep. Need to get Martin in the video too.
You want me to be in there?
Yeah, it's your car.
Okay.
There you go.
You gotta get him in it too.
Yeah,
for drawing.
and the guy that's drawing it.
Here.
Don't ruin your camera.
Oh, come on. It's worth it.
Your drawings are amazing. Your
Sure, that
infos.
instead is just
Yes.
get it in the sun, Howard.
Yes.
I don't know if I got you glaring. You getting glare or anything?
No, I got it. I got it good. Surprisingly, the 59s have had a lot of attention today. Maybe the two here together. We needed yours too, Dave. Your blue one have 359s sitting here. Anyway, it's been a fun day, and I think we're gonna wrap up the video here very shortly. So if you like it, hit that thumbs up icon, and if you like my channel, that 348 engine icon that pops up subscribes you. And thank you for watching.